Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to exclude placements in Performance Max. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your campaigns. Right here, just click on it from the left panel. Now in here, make sure that you have selected your Performance Max campaign. Then go ahead over to Insights and Reports. Okay, and here, click on Report Editor. Click on it. Now scroll down and select Campaign Performance. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find Performance Max Campaigns Placement. Click on it. And in here, you'll be able to see a list, okay, which looks like this. Now what you'll do in here is just go ahead and let's just right click on a placement, then hit on copy, and it will copy the link address. Now if you want to copy multiple placements right here, if you want to delete or exclude multiple placements, you'll have to open up your notepad, right click, copy and paste it on a notepad, okay? And do the same with the other placements. Now, once you have your list, go back, just close this one, okay? Go ahead over to audience, keywords and content, okay? And here, click on content. Once done, go ahead over to edit exclusions, click on it and click on account. Once you click on account, this page will open. Now, instead of browse, go ahead over and click on enter so that you'll be able to enter those URLs. Okay, just click on it. Now in here, you're going to want to copy and paste those placement links or URLs. Paste those in here. And once you have the URL added, this add placement button right here will be available. Just click on it and it will be landed right here. And once you're done with everything, just go ahead and hit on save at the very bottom and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.